Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. For those of you it's the first time here, my name is Tony Giallonardo and I've been dressing people for the last 40 years. Today I'm going to show you what to wear on a business class ticket. I personally have traveled many times in business class and I want to show you what I think you should wear. I picked two outfits and I'm going to start by showing you now. The first outfit is probably a little dressier, but obviously I love elegant clothes. This is a beautiful double-breasted linen jacket. It's a linen mix, so it's got a little bit of silk in it, but it's beautiful navy. And don't worry about wrinkling, because if it does wrinkle, you can always give it to the stewardess to hang, right? Underneath here, I am gonna put a beautiful pair of denim, 8-ounce denim, very, very light, super for the travel, super comfortable with a little bit of stretch, and the color is very nice. Underneath there, we're gonna put a beautiful, beautiful Italian cotton blue striped shirt. Now, the reason for this is sometimes when you go over trips, you may have a business meeting, you may not have time to change. So this, you can actually go to your business meeting. And to finalize it, I'm going to show you a beautiful pair of loafers. Loafers are easy, they slip in and out when you're on the plane, your feet swell up, and it's a nice, easy thing to wear. Now, I like to wear scarves. So I'm showing you a beautiful cashmere and silk scarf, nice for the summer or the fall, right? And normally you take the scarf and you take like this and you wrap it around. This is the way I wear a scarf. You put it around your neck and you wear it. And you can actually wear this on the flight, especially if your air conditioning is too cold or something that's bothering you. So this is outfit number one. I'm gonna show you a second outfit that's a little more casual, but still very elegant. Remember, business class is business class, it's not economy class, right? Which we will get to that later, but I'm gonna show you a beautiful outfit. So the second outfit, I'm going to start off with a beautiful suede cardigan. Suede and cashmere and silk, beautiful cardigan with pockets, very elegant, could be worn almost anywhere. And with that, I'm going to pair them off with the beautiful, we call this our travel denim. It's travel denim because it's super soft, it's stretchy and very, very light, so super comfortable. You could actually sleep with those jeans. And underneath, just because I like long sleeve, I'm going to show you a long sleeve white t-shirt in a beautiful soft fabric. And long sleeve so you can take your cardigan off in case you get hot. And yet, I don't like short sleeve unless you're at the beach. But that's, right? Beautiful, see? And to finish it off, I'm gonna pick up a beautiful pair of suede sneakers. They match the sweater. They're beautiful white sole and white laces. So this is the second outfit for business class. Now, stay tuned because I'm gonna go and show you what to wear in economy class, because I also flew economy. I didn't always fly business, right? So stay tuned, make sure you follow me. Thank you very much and see you again.